Welcome to Weekend Getaways in America. Today's destination, Arizona. We'll go to Oatman. We'll go spelunking above Lake Mojave. We'll take you to Kingman. And for only $2, you can ride this ferry boat all the way across the lake. And we'll also show you London Bridge. First, we're going to meet up with Jim, Sherry, Anthony, Dave, Jan, and Javier at Hooch's 66 Bar and Grill in Topop, just outside of Fort Mojave. When this classy Dave says it's time to go, it's time to go.
I hope I get out of here.
If they can find a lot of quartz when they're digging mines, you're going to find gold.
Is it comfortable? In 1863, gold was discovered here in the Black Mountains. Fortune seekers from around the world brought in burros to help them work the mines. Though most of the people have left, the descendants of the burros remain. What started back in 1863 continues today. People still come to Oatman looking for a better life to survive.
My name is Gail Robinson.
Gail Robinson, how long have you been doing this?
All my life, 50 years.
Wow.
Takes our lemonade, sir.
I have a mobile food concession business that travels the East Coast from Miami, Florida to the state of Maine. And COVID has brought us out here to Oatman, Arizona.
And I'm glad you're here. And these are repeat customers. You guys like the lemonade, don't you?
Yes.
Gail Robinson made the best lemonade I'd ever tasted. Though Oatman isn't the wild, crazy place that it used to be, it's still worth a visit. For today you can find compassion, peace, and that's worth more than gold.
Kind of neat, ain't it?
It sure is. Very friendly.
Oh, I know it. We was coming down the road. There was one by the road, and I just stopped, and he just walked up and stuck his head in the window.
Isn't that great? Where are you from?
Macon, Missouri.
Wow, fantastic. This building dates back to 1902. Lots of history here. Gable and Lombard spent their honeymoon upstairs. What's most impressive are all the dollar bills hanging on the walls. They're signed by people from all over the world. I had a stinky burger. It was good. I'm not sure what this guy had. Well, it's time to saddle up and head on to Kingman. Don't worry, boys, I'll tell people to come and say hi. But first, Jim wants to take us on a detour. He's going to take us spelunking up above Lake Mojave. I got to know Jim a little bit, and I can tell you there's more than meets the eye.
Behind me, Josh was.
And is that the aircraft carrier you were on, Jim?
Yes, the USS Constellation CV-64.
Wow, and there you are there. How old were you in that picture?
That's my boot camp picture. I was, 19?
Jim has a very impressive collection of Hot Wheels, one of the largest in the country. Truly a passion.
And those up there are Challengers and Roadrunners. Down here I got the Chargers, T-Birds, Chevys. These are all different kinds of Chevys. Got a strand of Corvettes. So these are all different Corvettes. Got a strand of all different Novas. And we also have a strand of all different GTOs back there.
This one?
This is the first Hot Wheel case that came out in 1968.
He got younger right before my
Got
eyes.
the Mitch Signal set, Captain America set, airplanes.
Gassers, sports, and some javelins. We have the Chuck E. Cheese collection, Disney collection, tail draggers, and Purple Passions buses.
I have all the Matchbox States. These are all John Deere's. These are Lionel trains. Lionel trains in different gas stations down there. And they all put batteries in them, they all light up.
There are so many mine shafts in this area, sometimes the ground just opens up underneath you.
It's up to you whether you want to keep going or not.
Sure, let's go for it. Hanging out with Jim was like being in a Mark Twain novel. It was a lot of fun. But things were about to take an interesting turn. Is it safe to walk over there?
You can see it goes down. Get all these different floors on this mine.
We walked as quickly as we could in the direction that we came from. We got lost. We didn't come this way, did we?
This is the canyon that you were just
Oh,
in.
that's where we were at the bottom of this before. On the left, you can see a fresh pile of dirt that just fell off the cliff. As we feel the tremor from an aftershock, Jim looks for an escape route. At 20 feet up, that jump would be way too dangerous. As we weighed our options, we felt the ground beneath us begin to shake and the wood started to rattle above our heads. We had to get out of there. A dead end. We ran to the light. Thank you, Jim, for a day I'll never forget. And thank you for your service. A modern pioneer by the name of Robert P. McCulloch brought something very British to America, the London Bridge. In 1968, he put in the winning bid of $2,460,000, transporting the entire bridge to the middle of the desert. From the telephone booth to the stepping stones that take you to the top of the bridge, where you'll find padlocks, placed there by lovers from around the world, throwing their keys into the river, symbolizing their eternal love. Surrounded by palm trees and resorts, there is plenty to do in Lake Havasu. You can rent a floating cabana. Well, this is the epitome of multitasking. Your boat captain doubles as your bartender. For only $2, you can ride this 2-story ferry boat all the way across the lake. Some get off and try their luck at the casino. Others just stay on board for the pleasant ride back. Well, this little fella thought he'd met the world's biggest dog. You can rent bicycles, or you can walk along the river walk all the way to the beach. Well, I finished my day with an ice cream cone by the fountain. I loved my day at Lake Havasu, but my heart is broken. I fell in love with someone whose heart belongs to another. Oh, I'll never forget that beautiful smile. That come hither look. I'll miss you, mon chéri. If you travel Route 66 from Chicago to LA, you've got to stop at Kingman. This is the essence of Route 66. This hometown of Andy Devine is the stopping place for millions on their way to California. Leo, thanks. You work here?
Yes, I'm an employee of City Kingman.
Fantastic.
Yes, yep. Where are you folks from?
Originally California.
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
That's me too. That's why we're here now.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I like this place much better.
Yeah.
Much better.
Yep. The altitude's a little bit higher here, too.
Yeah.
You know?
Near the water.
You know, yeah, we have a lot of characters that hang around this park here, too. You know, just like the conductor of the train.
Sure.
You know, so.
How long have you been in Kingman?
I moved here from Austin, Texas about 3 years and 10 months ago, almost 4 years ago.
Wow, you like it here?
I love it. I love it. You know, and I forgot how beautiful the mountains were. You know,
It really is pretty here.
well, it's gorgeous,
Like
and you really get you get all the 4 full seasons here.
Yes.
You know, so
Fantastic.
gorgeous. It's hot in the summertime, but at least in the evenings the temperatures cool down.
Nice.
So.
Hey, thanks for talking with us.
Yeah, you're very welcome. You guys enjoy your stay here.
Thanks.
Okay?
Thank
And
you.
remember, you got your tickets, so as soon as the conductor wakes up, okay?
You got it.
He looks a little drunk.
Yeah. He looks better today than he did yesterday.
Thank you.
God bless. Take care.
Don't just drive through Kingman. Take a walk downtown.
Hi, I'm Leah. This is Gracie's Vintage. We're in Kingman, Arizona.
Beautiful place.
Thank you. You're going to be on YouTube. If anyone can tell me, these are 40s and 50s production line sketches. Who drew them?
Oh,
What
wow.
are they worth? Like, this is clearly for Carmen Miranda. Actresses' names on the back, like Betty Hutton and a few other ones.
Oh, that's worth some
A
money.
woman named Grace Sprague that worked under Edith Head, but this is not how she was known to sign, so I don't know if that's her or not.
God, that's great.
So that's my mystery.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the farmhouse.
quaint shops with smiling faces, great dining choices, and a wine bar with an outdoor patio make downtown Kingman a worthy stop. 3.
Another great weekend getaway in America.
We got it. 1, 2.
Great weekend in America.
I'm Bruce Stewart. Thanks for watching Weekend Getaways in America.